When you're buying a home too, you must have a home inspection. How many in here know what a home inspection is? That's great. For those who don't, you must have one. We want those houses to, when you purchase those homes, we want those houses to be turnkey. We want to know everything about that house. If that house is not the right house for you, we'll help you find another one, okay? And the banks are not going to approve them if they're not right. Now, there's a lot of investment houses out there that are like C condition with a lot of equity in them. We know, but these programs, you can't purchase them, okay? You can't purchase them. FHA guidelines, they want those houses to be in A or B condition. Make sense? Thank you. Okay. Dave, is this where we have the video? Yeah. Okay. Okay, now we're going to show you a video clip of some of our clients that have gone through the home buying process. You can hear some of their testimonials. You can hear some of their stories.
Please tell us one last time.
We got to turn the lights down.
Put any money down on this product to walk into the house?
There was no money down at all. Zero down. That was amazing to me and my wife here, because we didn't have to put any money down.
Did everyone hear?
So, Pure Hearts was the one that orchestrated this whole program for us, and we love it. And like I said before, if you're in the market for a new home, give them a call and see what we have to offer. I'm sure you will not be sorry.
Thank you so much. Mr. and Mrs. Matthews, we appreciate you taking the time, showing us your beautiful property. And would you tell a friend about us? Thank you.
Hi, my name is Rosalina Arellano, and I'm a client with Pure Hearts R Us. I purchased a home through Pure Hearts R Us, and it was part of the program while I'm home.
That's great. That's great. Are you happy? Were you happy with the service?
I'm ecstatic about the service. Actually, they helped me a lot through the whole process.
You have a very beautiful home. We want the new clients that come to the workshop. Would you say that this is very possible to happen for them?
Yes, I believe so. Because one of the reasons is that they make sure that you qualify in every different way to get you through the steps of going through the process.
Fantastic. Let me ask you another question. And let's talk about the financing. How is your financing?
I got 100% financed, and out of my pocket, just a ballpark of it, about $300.
Wow, just $300
Yes.
to qualify and get into this beautiful home.
Yes, it was, I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? I was in shock, because you don't hear much of that anywhere. So I got a lot of help from Pure Hearts R Us,
Wow.
especially with the finance through BBVA Bank.
Wow.
It's awesome.
That's one of the things about Pure Hearts R Us. I hear talk to different clientele. They really, really bring in great collaboratives from the lending, and we know about the realtors, but we also know about those counselors. Those counselors work very, very hard to put families into home.
And also with the PMI.
Oh, no PMI. Let's talk about that.
PMI.
No PMI.
Yes, no PMI.
Wow.
I was like, what? You don't, that's rare.
That is very rare.
Yes, it is.
Very
Especially
rare.
when you're not, when you're being 100% financed and you're not coming down with any debt. So,
Wow.
yes.
That 100% financing or that 1% financing, Pure Hearts for Us has several different financing options for different clientele. This is a beautiful home, and thank you for sharing. Now can we take a walk outside and see the house?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What a beautiful home. Then I'll walk up. Thank you for sharing.
Come by anytime.
Well, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
What would you like to tell the audience before we sign off?
You know what? Trust. Pure Hearts are us. They really will help you. It's an excellent program. They walk you through the whole process, and there is no stress involved. So I love it. Thank you. And I have something to show for it. It's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.